Hello students, once again welcome back to the class of physics. So actually in the previous session we discussed what is n-type semiconductor and also what is p-type semiconductor, and we discussed a concept related to semiconductor diode. Okay, and we can also call it as p-n junction diode. So I just discussed there what is the concept, actually what do you mean by p-n junction diode, how this p-n junction diode will be formed. So now in this session we are going to discuss what is the working of p-n junction diode. Okay, so just look at the diagram that I have already written on the board. So what happens if you want to make a p-n junction diode or semiconductor diode, you have to take one p-type semiconductor and another one n-type semiconductor. When you join these two together, so the resultant diode, what you are going to get, the resultant combination, this is nothing but p-n junction diode. Okay, see here we have, this is a p side where holes are the majority charge carriers, and this is the n side where electrons are the majority charge carriers. You know what is majority charge carriers and minority charge carriers. Okay, n-type semiconductor, negative charges are more. That is the reason why we took electrons are the majority charge carriers. When you come to p-type semiconductor, holes are more. So that is the reason why we have taken holes are the majority charge carriers. Now what happens here? See, due to this concentration, so here we have p and n. So what happens when you join together these p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor, then the electrons which are present on the n side, so these are the electrons which are present on the n side, will move towards p side. The electrons which are present on the n side will move towards p side, and the holes which are present on the p side, they will move towards n side. The holes which are present on the p side, they will move towards n side. Why sir this? Yes, of course, because we know the combination, the positive and negative ions. Okay, so this positive here, positive charges are there, so that's the reason why negative charges are moving towards here. Here the negative charge, here the negative charges are there, so that's the reason why the positive charges are moving into the n side. So therefore the transferred electrons and holes in the p side and n side will reach together, and it will form the positive immovable ions and the negative immovable ions. Here the positive immovable means what? They will not move further. Okay, they will be settled there at that particular point. So initially we took like this. So complete positive ions are there here, negative charges are there here. So what happens? This is a p side and this is the n side. Okay, here now this negative ions, they will move towards the p side and the positive ions, they will move towards the n side. So because of this, the combination takes place. So here in between these two, okay, so the charges which comes from p to n, they will settle here. The charges which come from n to p, they will settle here. So these settled part charges or things, these are called as, this is having positive charge, which comes here, no? So negative charges, so this will become negative and this will become positive. So this negative charges are called as negative immovable ions, where on the p side, see, when you look at this you will understand. So the negative charges which are present on the n side, they will move towards the p side, and it will make negative immovable ions, and there which side it is, that on the p side. And meanwhile the holes which are present on the p side, they will drift towards the n side, and it will make the positive immovable ions. Okay, these are the positive immovable ions, these are the negative immovable ions. Okay, so in between, see, there is a line. the imaginary line that you have to imagine. So the junction is formed. This junction is called as PN junction. This junction is called PN junction. Okay. So junction means you don't get confused. That means it is not complete this one from here to here. We can't say it as a junction where the positive and negative immovable ions recombine together and they will make a junction form. This is called as junction. Okay, so it is present here in this case. Okay, in the negative side of the in the N-type semiconductor side, positive immovable ions are there. In the P-type semiconductor side, the negative immovable ions are there. So this is what the condition, and this is not up to extent, not completely. You may get doubt, sir, yak sir illi tanka matra, so why can't it come here? So it has a limit. So these two positive and negative immovable ions, they will recombine and it will form a layer or a junction, is called as depletion region or depletion layer. Okay, and one more thing, see here we have positive, and main thing here you have to remember, without biasing. Without biasing, andre we are not giving any external electric field or now external battery. We are not connecting any external battery. So without connecting external battery, this will be the thing what actually happens here. So hangagi enaitu navill battery connect madlilla, even though the electric field set up from N side to P side. See, idondu imaginary battery, mysterious battery anta heltivi ನಾವು. So imaginary battery ಇದು. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ P ಇಂದ N ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ is set up in this direction from N to P. Actually P to N ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಡಿಪ್ಲಿಷನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ N to P. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ions, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ions, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, so this will be the electric field setup in this region. So what happens in that electric field? It will produces a potential across the junction because of this electric field. Because of this electric field produced or set up at this particular region, it will it will produce some potential, it will give some potential difference, or the potential developed across these two region from here to here. So ಈ potential develop ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will opposes or it will stops for the diffusion of holes and electrons from P to N or N to P. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. It will oppose or it can stops. What is the reason? Because of the potential developed across here. So the potential developed across this region is called as barrier potential. Barrier potential. I hope now you understood. See, we have a PN junction, P-type and N-type semiconductor here. What happens when you fuse together? So what happens? The electrons which are present on the N side, they will move towards the P side, and the holes which are present on the P side, they will move towards the N side. And because of this recombination of these holes and electrons, the positive and negative immovable ions will set up across the junction. So the junction is created across that. These two positive and negative immovable ions are created or set up. So because of these two immovable ions, it will create an electric field. So because of this electric field, it will produces a potential, electric potential or barrier potential, or we can say in other words We can also call it as junction potential. Okay, so this barrier potential prevents the further diffusion of holes and electrons into this junction. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ electrons ಬರೋದನ್ನ stop ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ holes ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನ stop ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This will be the condition. And the region where the potential is developed is called as depletion region. Okay, so now we'll see what is the definitions of these things, what and all we studied till now. So what do you mean by barrier potential and depletion region? As I told you, so the region which is developed or which is created between positive and negative immovable ions. Because of this, the junction is developed or created. So this is what we called as depletion region. So what will be the value of depletion region? So on what will be the range of depletion region? It is of the order of 10 power minus 6 meter. So depletion region and 1 kilometer irutte sir? No. It should be in the order of 10 power minus 6 meter. So this is one kind of thing. Okay, so depletion region is always in the order of 10 power minus 6 meter. Okay, so what do you mean by depletion region anta kelare ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು ನೀವು? The region on both sides of the junction contains only both sides of the junction. This is a junction. Both sides of the junction contains only immovable ions. So ಇವು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ 10 power minus 6 meter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.1 micrometer. We can also write it as 1 micrometer because you know the prefix values, right? So 10 power minus 6 means what? Micro. So similarly, what next? So the next one is barrier potential or junction potential. So barrier potential. So you know already what is barrier potential? The potential difference developed due to the presence of immovable ions on opposite side of the junction. See, the potential difference developed across the junction of immovable ions on both the sides of what? P-type and N-type semiconductor, or we can say both side of PN junction. Both the side of PN junction. I'll repeat. So the potential difference developed due to the presence of immovable ions on opposite side across the PN junction, or opposite side across the PN junction is called as barrier potential, or we can also call it as junction potential, or in other words we can also call it as junction potential, or we can also call it as cut-in voltage. So you have an experiment in your lab. So find out the cut-in voltage of PN junction or semiconductor diode on the keltane exam alli. Okay, or forward bias characteristics of semiconductor diode. There you are going to find the value of cut-in voltage of given semiconductor. Semiconductor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸರ್? ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜರ್ಮೇನಿಯಂ. ಸೊ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನಿಗೆ ಬಂದು 0.6 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್-ಇನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜರ್ಮೇನಿಯಂ ಬಂದು 0.3 ವೋಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ this semiconductor will not conduct antastane. Okay, till here the semiconductor will not conduct. Once it crosses this particular voltage, then it will start to conduct. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ ಇನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So once it crosses that limit, then only it will conduct. So that will be the reason. Okay, next one, factor deciding the barrier potential value. So if barrier potential value ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, so which and all the factors it depends on, ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The first one, which semiconductor that you are taken, nature of semiconductor. Actually, ಒಂದೊಂದು semiconductor ಗೆ the value of barrier potential is ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಲಿಕಾನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜರ್ಮೇನಿಯಂಗೆ ಒಂದು, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ semiconductor, intrinsic concentration of semiconductor in generally silicon ಅಥವಾ germanium before doping, it is before doping ಏನಿದೆ. and one more point I forgot to mention in the previous video. see ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, I told you, I explained the concept of doping, correct? so doping ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಹಾಕೋದಾ? ಡೂ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್? ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಸನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಹಾಲಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಲ್ಗೆ 1 ಡ್ರಮ್ ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 100% ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು 10⁶ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, 10⁶ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಾರಿ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 10⁶ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ 1 ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಥರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರೇಂಜ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 10⁶ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಪೆಂಟಾವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರೈವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ಸೆನಿಕ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ಯಾಲಿಯಂ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪೆಂಟಾವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10⁶ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಲಿಯಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಸೆನಿಕ್ ಆಟಮ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಥಿಂಗು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಬೀಟಾ ಪೆಂಟಾ ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಐ ಸೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಎನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಸೈಡ್. Level of doping on N side and P side. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, N side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, P side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that you have to check and you have to add. So this is all about what the factors which is affecting on barrier potential or potential barrier value or junction potential value. And we have one more thing, the last one is temperature. Obviously temperature also plays an important role in it, temperature. So this is all about what related to barrier potential. I hope now you all understood. And the depletion region you already know, would what do you mean by depletion region? The region in which the PN junction contains only immovable ions. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೇನೆ. So the immovable ions junction ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇಮ್ಮೂವಬಲ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ರೀಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. Okay, so next I'll tell you what is diffusion current and also the drift current. Okay, in the next video we will discuss that, because that we required for to understand the concept of forward bias characteristics of semiconductor diode. Okay, so next it comes, there we will see. So here we studied without biasing. Here we are not connecting anything. So what happens if you connect something in that? So connection kotre connect madidre enagutte, that we will see. Okay, just go through with these videos. If you have any doubts you can ask.